Aloha, here we are at a very famous building called Marco Polo. It's a very beautiful building and we're looking at a magnificent sunset. You see the pink skies. It's great daytime or nighttime. This building is very special, and as you see, we have a beautiful swimming pool. It's fun watching the baseball games. They're getting set up for a night game. And we have a big lanai here, 210-foot wrap lanai that has sunrise and sunset, shade and sun. Set up also with a TV. Here's our rec deck with 2 tennis courts, barbecue, basketball, volleyball. In the back you can see the university. This is the nicest building near the university, so we have a lot of faculty to go. Again, we can turn around and see the sunset. Let's go around and take a look at this large lanai again. Spacious living room, and the dining area is made into a bonus room bedroom, which brings extra rental if you want to have an investment. 2 bedrooms with bonus room gets anywhere from $3,500 to $6,000 a month. The kitchen has uba-tuba, nice maple cabinets. We have another bedroom, ocean view. We have a bathroom that has triple head shower, front and back, his and hers. A nice size master bedroom, and a bathroom that was in the cover of the Star Advertiser, a slate bathroom with jet tubs and dolphin mural. And let's go walking down the hall. This building has $130 million of renovations. We have lots of new piping, plumbing, wiring, and all the halls are brand new carpets. And we have $6.5 million of reserve. That's really great reserve. So we've done spalling, painting, and our maintenance fees are very low. This unit is $700. I also have another one upstairs that's about $600, based on square footage. Let's go to our favorite room in the house again. Some people say the kitchen, maple cabinets. Some people say a large living room with a bonus room. And I think the best spot in the house is this really big lanai with sunset, sunrise, and please give us a call. I think you'll love living here.